Hey class, I just want to give you a quick tutorial on a couple of things as you're getting ready to create your blog post for your magazine spreads this week. One thing I want to go over really quickly, and this was in one of the chapters that we skipped over in your books, the difference between CMYK color mode and RGB color mode. CMYK is what your printers at home print from. There's 4 different colors: cyan, magenta, yellow, and K represents black. And then RGB is what we see on our screens and what photos are printed with. Photo printers print on RGB, so red, green, blue is RGB. Also, RGB is what our screens show, how they do color. So we want, when we're posting to our blogs, to save in RGB color mode so that we see the true colors. Sometimes if you forget this step, you'll save your project, and then when you open it up in the browser, it will look all crazy and the colors will look almost like neon, and you'll be like, that's not how it looked in my program. That's because you haven't changed the color mode yet. Because if you view a CMYK document on an RGB screen, it kind of makes the colors look funny. So what you want to do is, before you export your file, open up your color palette over here. Click on the little menu icon and just change it from CMYK to RGB. So once you click that, then you're done with the color mode change. And then you want to go File, Export. I'm going to show you how to export so that you save it in spreads rather than in pages. Most of you posted your drafts in pages, so there were 3 separate pages and your spread was on 2 separate documents. That isn't great because we don't get to see, well, I don't get to see the full effect of the design of your spread and how it looked as you were designing it in InDesign. So I want to make sure that we save the spread together in one image. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you click File, Export, I'll do that again. So File, Export, like we've done before. And you're going to choose from the format. You choose JPEG. Then you're going to click where you want to put it. I'm just going to put it right in here. Save as spreads. And then I'm going to click Save. And then a window will pop up. What you're probably going to see is pages will be selected, but I want you to put the bullet next to spreads so that will save it as spreads. And then this is another place, if you want to change the color space, you can, but it's already on RGB since we selected that. Resolution 150 is fine. Usually on a screen, 72 is a screen resolution, but sometimes I just leave it in between. But anything between 72 and 150 is fine for this. And then that's it. So we're going to click Export. And I'm just going to go show you what that looks like. So see, this is my first page, one JPEG for my first page, and then my second page, my spread, is a spread instead of 2 separate pages. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck. Let me know if you need any additional feedback or if you have any issues.